Good morning, Mrs. Weber's class.
Good morning.
All right, 6.6 nets and surface area. I can identify the net of a 3D shape and find surface area. Can you do that?
Yes.
All right, a net. A net is a flat figure that we can fold into a 3D shape. So nets are flat. We can fold them up into 3D shapes, right?
Yes.
Okay. A cylinder is made up of 3 shapes. What are they?
2 circles and a rectangle.
2 circles and a rectangle. So 2 circles and 1 rectangle make up a cylinder when you fold them all together, right?
Yeah.
A cone is made up of a cube is made up of.
6 flat squares.
Okay, so I'm going to actually show you. It's cylinder. We have 1 rectangle and 2 circles, right? Cone, we have 1 triangle and 1 circle, right? Cube, we have 6 what?
Flat squares.
Squares. Okay, sweet. So really we have definitions and pictures of all of them, right? And these are the nets. These are the nets of those shapes. They're the flattened version of what the shape could be before we fold it into a 3D, yes? Okay. And then the last thing is surface area, which we're going to go down and talk about right now. Oh, that's a rectangular prism. We didn't even have that one, but it looks like it's 4 rectangles and 2 squares, right? Okay. All right, surface area. In order to find the surface area, you must find the area of every single what? And then you take the surface or the area of every single face and you add them to. So this is like a prism, right?
Yeah.
And it looks like we have how many faces on that prism?
6.
6. We got 1, we got 2, we got the bottom is 3, the top is 4, the back is 5, and the front is 6, right? So how many math problems should I have? 6. So I'm basically finding the area of all 6 faces, right?
Yes.
And once I find the area of all 6 faces, I add them together and I have surface area?
Yeah.
That's all I do?
Yeah.
How many faces does this guy have? 5. We've got the bottom. Boop, 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 boop. We got the back side. We got the little ramp. We got the front triangle, and we got the back triangle back there, right?
Yeah.
How many math problems do I have? Notice how I actually took each of the shapes of that 3D shape, and I like broke them off, and I just made a little picture of them. 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. And then these are the dimensions, right? Make sure on a triangle you always do what? Divide by 2. So here is the area of all 5 of our shapes. And we added them all together. And we had surface area, yes? Pretty simple?